Oh, this is so annoying. Keep knocking my bottle over.
Keep knocking your bottle over.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Well, you should try the Clam Cup.
What is that?
So, the Clam Cup. Well, I'm glad you asked.
I didn't say anything.
The Clam Cup is a very interesting product. You can put it anywhere on the table, except on the table.
What?
You can put it here, 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 or even here.
You already put it there.
Shut up, nerd.
So, how much does this thing cost anyway?
It's only $19.99. With taxes, it's $22.
Wow, that actually works.
It does? I mean, of course it does. It's the Clam Cup.
The Clam Cup, the Clam Cup, the handy little sturdy little figure, how we do that.
Clam Cup.
The Clam Cup.
Too early.
What is that?
What? I said wait. Oh wait,
It's only $19.99. With taxes, $22.
Right now.
Well, I'm glad you asked.
I didn't say anything.
The Clam Cup is a... What?
Hello. My precious. Buy it. Buy it now. The Clam Cup, the Clam Cup, the handy little sturdy little figure, how we do that.
Clam Cup.
The Clam Cup.